Everyone, my name is Dad Lester and welcome to another House Caraan video. Sa video na to, pag-usapan natin ang simplified step-by-step process on how to apply for a PAG-IBIG housing loan. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So again, we are House Caraan. We do a lot of family-related vlogs and a lot of informative videos like this where we talk about PAG-IBIG, SSS, and PhilHealth. So if you're interested with those topics, please consider subscribing and hit that notification bell para update ka sa mga videos. So this one is very close to my heart kasi we've actually gone through several processes ng pag-apply ng PAG-IBIG housing loan. Actually, I have 4 properties na bahay. 3 of them are through PAG-IBIG. So a lot of the process though is through our agent, but right now I started being a real estate agent na rin. So I'll link my channel about real estate dito sa description box below and then put that sa cards para makita nyo siya if you're interested to purchase a house. Pero on this video, we wanna focus dun sa paano ba talaga? How do you apply for a housing loan? I can't really discuss everything on this video, pero this is an overview to give you an idea of the major steps. Low to middle income Filipino, you can definitely afford and buy your own house. So yung PAG-IBIG, of course, is government mandated and it's popularly known as PAG-IBIG Fund. So usually, mas affordable yung loan through PAG-IBIG compared to bank or other financing options. It has lower interest rates and usually lower monthly amortization. Sorry, medyo I had to reshoot part of this video kasi during the editing we found out na hindi ganun kalinaw yung audios. PAG-IBIG housing loan actually allows members to borrow up to 6 million to purchase a residential lot, house and lot, condo unit. You may also secure a loan for a house construction, home improvement, or renovation, or even to refinance an existing housing loan. The first thing that we need to understand is kung eligible ba tayo, kung pwede ba tayong kumuha, diba? So there are a couple of considerations. So the first and most important one is you're actually an active member and naghulog ka na for at least 24 months. In some cases, pwede siyang i-advance. If I'm not mistaken, kapag OFW, there are instances na pwede, pero the basic requirement is for at least 24 months. The other thing is, you should not be more than 65 years old during the loan application or 70 years old upon loan maturity. What does that mean? So obviously, kapag most of our 65 years old are retired na, kung employment yung source of income natin, then obviously we don't have that anymore. We might have pensions, pero that's a requirement that you should be less than 65 years old. The other thing is, for example, you want to take on, like for example, yung mga bahay namin, iba dun is 30 years to pay. You should not be 70 years old kapag approved na siya. So at least 40 years old ka. So 40 pababa para makapag-apply ka ng 30-year loan. Kung kukunin mo naman siya ng 10 years, then you can be 60 years old, pwede ka pa rin. As long as you can assure them that you have your source of income. Of course, legal capacity to acquire ng property. Like for example, you have a criminal record, or for example, you're not Filipino, things like that. So there's a lot of other considerations. Then wala kang masamang record. For example, you have other loans na na-foreclose, na-cancel, bought back, or voluntarily surrendered. Kumbaga, that's considered some sort of a record na you were not able to comply with previous loan. So this part, we'll talk to you about the actual step-by-step process na. Paano na tayo makaka-avail ng PAG-IBIG housing loan? So the first thing you need to know is yung list of requirements. There's quite a lot. I'll include a link on this video para you can check what are those requirements. Pero just tell you some of the basic ones. Of course, you need your housing loan application. You need to provide the proof of income, your payslips, ITR or COE, or if you have business, then yung ating financial statements. You need IDs, government-issued IDs, PhilHealth, UMID, driver's license, your passport, or any other government-issued IDs, postal IDs. Those are the basic ones, pero mentioned, there's a lot more depending on your situation and depending kung ano yung gusto mong avail na property. So I'll link that on the description box below. If you are 60 years old and you want to avail 2 million to 6 million worth of loan, then you need to submit a health statement form, some sort of medical questionnaire. Step 2 is you have to bring all these documents to the PAG-IBIG office, whichever one's the nearest to you, and then you have to pay 1,000 pesos processing fee. In my case, I can help you with that as well because we have people na pumupunta sa PAG-IBIG to process all of these documents. But of course, it will still be very good if you know the process, you understand them, so we can make it faster. Next thing is you have to wait for your notice of approval or NOA, or kung hindi ka naman ma-approve, then you'll receive a notice of disapproval. So once you receive your notice of approval, you have to sign it within 90 days. Of course, you have to submit all these documents. You'll be issued a check So ito na yung actual loan natin. Fifth step is you'll receive your loan. You need to bring 2 valid IDs, a couple of documents then. So I'll list them down on the description box below or a link para you can check on that website as well. And then finally, you should be able to get your property, process that with the developer or the broker, and then you should start paying for your monthly amortization. I know that's oversimplified. There's a lot of small steps within that whole process, pero that's just to give you an overall sense of what you should go through kapag mag-apply ka ng ganitong klaseng housing loan. And again, it varies depending on the type of property, how much your loan is, your situation, your eligibility criteria. So there's a lot of things that you have to go through. And at the end of the day naman, it's all worth it kasi once you get the loan in PAG-IBIG, then it's a much lower monthly amortization and interest compared to like in banks and other financial institutions. Yeah, I hope that helps. If you have questions, you have clarifications, then definitely we can talk about that on the comment section below. Again, if you are interested to buy a property, especially the ones in subdivisions here around Calabarzon, then we can definitely help you. So again, my name is Daddy Lester. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you sa next video. Bye-bye.